Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Life Cycle of Plants. As in the last class, we have done with the various agents of the pollination. As in the today class, we are also going to continue with the agents of pollination, that is the dispersal by explosion and the dispersal by the fire. First is the disposal by the explosion. Disposal by explosion means how the explosion or how the explosive dispersal take place. Means some plant distribute their seeds by violently ejecting them so that they fall well away from the parent plant. Example, pea plant, gourds, as you can see in the figure, is a very good example of this. Sitting near the gorse plant bushes on a hot day in summer, you can hear exploding pods sounds almost like gunshots. Like in the simple sense, we can say that as we are taking about easy example, pea dispersal. Like peas, mutter plant, that is like when the pea plant is at the like ripened stage, then their seeds become burst from the main like a plant, and they will seeds will disperse. This is known as the dispersal by the explosion, like explosive like a firecracker. Next is the disposal by the fire. Disposal by fire means fire is also responsible for dispersal of the seeds. To survive the fire, some plants have adaptive traits that allow them to reproduce or regenerate. Means in the simple sense, we can say that fire is harmful for the plant, but heat is responsible for giving the plant to like get ripened or to get mature. So for this, plants some have to like adapt to a adaptive trait. The trait means it is a like behavior of physical characteristics that help a plant to survive and the make the most of its habitat. Means when the fire occurs, animals have to have the way to fly, run away, or to burrow deep into the grounds. But plants cannot do so because they have a fixed position, so they get adaptation. Mean we have to adapt according to the condition. Like very simple example is as in the pandemic period, we have to adapt according to the environmental conditions or according to the surroundings that we have to live in our house. We have to like maintain the performa of the social distancing, as well as like we cannot go to the school for the offline classes. We have to adapt to take the education. We are going to take the online classes. Same is that plant also have to be adapt for their survival. So you can see that the example you can see in the figure that by the fire, the cones like that is mainly found in the hilly area, they get like with the help of the heat or fire burn up, and we get the cones of that plants. Now I am telling in the detail that when the seeds hit the ground, they have a very nutrient rich place to grow with the plenty of sunlight, since there are no trees overhead. It can remove diseased plant which give a new chance to ecosystem. So it may like cones, it may give the or take away too long for new trees to sprout the ecosystem and give a new life. You can see in the figure that the cones of the plant that is get covered or that come by the heating or by the like fire of the plant, and by this this is also a seed, and by this the new life will comes. So this is also, all about the agents of the pollination, as we have discussed about the mm, agents by the wind, water, birds, insects, by fire, and by the explosion. And the next topic is reproduction through different parts of the plants. The term reproduction is actually a combination of two words. Re plus production means production again and again. It is also known as the vegetative reproduction or the asexual reproduction. Means in it the like gametes or like the pollen grains are not responsible. Reproduction take place through the other parts of plants except the flower. means what are the other parts that are responsible for the formation of the new life. That is, one by the stem, second by root, third by the leaf. And this type of reproduction is also known as the vegetative propagation. You can see in figure that leaves, which leaf? Bryophyllum leaves, stem, onion, garlic, roots, carrot, beetroot, buds, rose plant. First is reproduction through stem, means how the stem of plant is responsible for formation of a new plant. The cutting of a stem is that part of plant actually that when we see the figure that there are various parts of the plant. Stem is that part of the plant that is attached to the leaves, and on the lower part it is attached to the roots, and on its leaves are present. When we cut the stem, like in case of the rose plant, only the stem is responsible for coming of the new plant. There are also other example like basil, rosemary, orchids also. So this is about the reproduction through stem. Next is reproduction through leaf. Leaf is also responsible for, only the single leaf is also responsible for coming of new life. When we like burrow a leaf into the soil, after some time the buds will appear on the leaf of that plant, and a leaf of on that other leaf, or buds on the other on that leaf, and by this new life will come or new plant will come. Example is the bryophyllum, or money plant that we are using at our home is also example of reproduction through leaf. Third one is the reproduction through root. Roots are also responsible for giving of the new life, like the carrot, radish, sweet potato that we are eating, that is actually a root. They are not the like flower or any of the plant part, they are the root. So when we like only dug a simple like carrot into the soil, after some time roots will come on to this, and the stem is also come upward on this, and formation of the new life or the new plant will start. You can see in the figure like carrot, turnip, sugar beet, beetroot, these are example of vegetation or reproduction through root. So what we have discussed today, I am going to conclude itself. We have discussed about the dispersal through the fire, dispersal through the explosion, and about the reproduction through the other parts of plant, that is also known as the vegetative reproduction. The other parts are the reproduction through stem, reproduction through leaf, reproduction through root, and their examples also. Okay, thank you. In case of any doubt, you can call me or message me. Okay.